Have you ever seen a machine cut through metal like butter? That's what wire EDM does. It's a process that uses sparks to cut metal. It sounds crazy, but it's one of the most precise manufacturing methods out there. Wire EDM stands for Wire Electrical Discharge Machining. It's a really cool technology that's changing how we make things. Think intricate cuts, complex shapes, and super fine details. That's what wire EDM is all about. This process is essential for industries that need extreme precision and accuracy. We're talking about aerospace, medical, automotive, and more. So how does this magical process work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of wire EDM, or electrical discharge machining, and uncover the secrets behind its precision and efficiency. It all starts with a thin wire, usually made of brass. This wire is meticulously fed through the machine, ensuring it remains taut and ready for the intricate task ahead. This wire is charged with electricity and acts as an electrode. The electrical charge is carefully controlled to create the perfect conditions for cutting through metal with unparalleled precision. The workpiece, the metal we want to cut, is submerged in a special fluid called dielectric fluid. This fluid plays a crucial role in the process, providing a stable environment for the electrical discharge to occur. The wire never actually touches the workpiece. Instead, it hovers just above the surface, maintaining a precise gap that allows the electrical discharge to do its work. Instead, a controlled electrical spark jumps between the wire and the metal. This spark is generated by the electrical charge in the wire and is the key to the cutting process. This spark is what does the cutting. It vaporizes tiny bits of metal, creating the desired shape with incredible accuracy and minimal waste. It vaporizes tiny bits of metal, creating the desired shape. The precision of this process allows for the creation of complex and intricate designs that would be difficult to achieve with traditional machining methods. The dielectric fluid is crucial here. It not only provides a stable environment for the electrical discharge, but also helps to cool the workpiece and the wire, preventing overheating. It helps control the spark and flushes away the vaporized metal. This ensures that the cutting zone remains clean and free of debris, which is essential for maintaining the precision of the cut. This keeps the cutting zone clean and ensures a smooth, precise cut. The result is a high-quality finish that requires little to no additional processing, making wire EDM an incredibly efficient and effective machining method. Wire EDM has some serious advantages over traditional machining methods. It's a game changer in the world of precision engineering and manufacturing. Unlike traditional methods that often require multiple steps and tools, wire EDM can achieve the desired results in a single process. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of errors creeping in during the machining process. First off, it can cut incredibly intricate and complex shapes. The level of detail that wire EDM can achieve is unparalleled. Whether it's a delicate component for a medical device or a complex part for an aerospace application, wire EDM handles it with ease. Think of the most complicated puzzle piece you've ever seen. Now imagine that piece being cut out of a solid block of metal with absolute precision. That's the kind of capability we're talking about with wire EDM. Wire EDM can cut that out of metal, no problem. Second, it's incredibly precise. The precision of wire EDM is one of its standout features. It can achieve tolerances that are simply not possible with traditional machining methods. We're talking about accuracy down to the micron level. This means that even the smallest details are captured perfectly, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards of quality and performance. That's smaller than the width of a human hair. To put it in perspective, a human hair is about 70 microns thick, so we're dealing with tolerances that are incredibly fine. This level of precision is essential for industries like aerospace and medical, where even the tiniest error can be critical. In these fields, the margin for error is virtually non-existent, and wire EDM provides the reliability needed to meet these stringent requirements. Third, wire EDM can cut very hard materials. Materials that would wear down traditional cutting tools are no match for wire EDM. This capability opens up new possibilities for working with advanced materials. Traditional machining methods can struggle with super hard metals, but wire EDM cuts through them like a hot knife through butter. This efficiency not only speeds up the manufacturing process, but also ensures that the tools and machines have a longer lifespan. This makes it ideal for industries that need to work with tough materials, like aerospace and tooling. The ability to cut through hard materials without compromising on precision or quality makes Wire EDM an invaluable tool in modern manufacturing. Wire EDM is used in a wide range of industries, from aerospace to medical to automotive. Let's take a closer look at some of the specific applications. In aerospace, Wire EDM is used to create complex parts for jet engines, turbines, and other critical components. These parts need to be incredibly precise and able to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. Wire EDM is up to the task. In the medical field, Wire EDM is used to create surgical instruments, implants, and other medical devices. These applications require extreme precision and the ability to work with biocompatible materials. Wire EDM delivers on both counts. Section 5. Wire EDM in aerospace. The aerospace industry demands absolute precision. Lives depend on it. Wire EDM plays a crucial role in creating the intricate components that make aircraft safe and reliable. Think about the complex shapes of turbine blades. These blades need to be perfectly formed to maximize efficiency and performance. Wire EDM allows manufacturers to create these blades with incredible accuracy, ensuring optimal engine performance. Beyond turbine blades, Wire EDM is used to create a wide range of aerospace components, including fuel injectors, engine nozzles, and structural parts. The ability to cut intricate shapes in high-performance materials makes Wire EDM an indispensable tool for the aerospace industry. Section 6. Wire EDM in medical. In the medical field, precision is paramount. When it comes to surgical instruments and implants, even the slightest imperfection can have serious consequences. Wire EDM's ability to cut with micron-level accuracy makes it a game-changer for medical manufacturing. Surgical instruments need to be incredibly precise and delicate to perform intricate procedures. Wire EDM allows manufacturers to create instruments with incredibly fine tips and edges, enabling surgeons to work with greater accuracy and control. Implants, such as hip replacements and dental implants, also benefit from Wire EDM's precision. The ability to create implants that perfectly match a patient's anatomy is crucial for successful outcomes. Section 7. Erodex, your trusted partner in Wire EDM. Now you might be wondering, where can I find a company that can handle my Wire EDM needs? The answer is simple. Erodex. Look no further than Erodex. We are a leading name in the industry, known for our expertise and commitment to excellence. We're experts in Wire EDM, and we're here to help you bring your most challenging projects to life. Our advanced technology and skilled team ensure precision and quality in every cut. At Erodex, we've been providing top-notch Wire EDM services for years. Our experience and dedication have made us a trusted partner for many industries. We have a team of skilled engineers and machinists who are passionate about precision and quality. They work tirelessly to ensure that every project meets the highest standards. We've invested in state-of-the-art Wire EDM equipment to ensure that we can meet the most demanding specifications. Our machines are capable of handling complex geometries and tight tolerances. We're not just a service provider, we're your partner in precision engineering. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients, based on trust and mutual success. We'll work closely with you from design to delivery to ensure that your project is a success. Our collaborative approach means that we understand your needs and can provide tailored solutions. Whether you need a single prototype or a large production run, Erodex has the capability and expertise to deliver. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart. So if you're looking for a reliable partner in Wire EDM, look no further than Erodex. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your goals. Section 8. Erodex's expertise. What sets Erodex apart from the competition? It's our unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction. We're not satisfied until you're satisfied. Our team of engineers has decades of combined experience in Wire EDM. We've seen it all, and we're confident that we can tackle even the most complex projects. We're constantly investing in the latest Wire EDM technology and training to stay at the forefront of the industry. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the people. Our team is passionate about precision engineering, and we're committed to delivering the highest level of service to our customers. Section 9. Conclusion. Wire EDM is a game changer for industries that demand precision and accuracy. From aerospace to medical to automotive, Wire EDM is helping manufacturers create the parts that are shaping our world. If you're looking for a trusted partner to help you with your Wire EDM needs, look no further than Erodex. We have the expertise, the equipment, and the commitment to quality to bring your most challenging projects to life. Contact Erodex today to learn more about our Wire EDM services and how we can help you achieve your manufacturing goals.